All right, number 12. So we have a farmer making 3 pens. So this is identical to our one in class. So this is the situation. Now the only difference is the fencing is not involved in that one side because he's using the barn. So that's the only thing that's different. But you really don't solve it any differently. He has 80 feet of fence available. He wants to maximize the area. Okay, so the area is what we want to find the derivative of. Area is always x times y, so it's length times width. It doesn't really matter what letter you call those. We'll do the same thing we did in class. And the one we did that was just like this in class, we called all those y, and we called the length or the width, I mean x. So the area is x times y. That's what we want to maximize, but we want to find a substitute for y, so we go to our other statement that says he has 80 feet of fence. So all of that fencing added together, which means this plus this plus this plus this. Well, I can go ahead and write that. What that is, that's 4 times y. Y plus y plus y plus y is 4y. And we're going to add that to x. And all together, that adds up to 80. That's what they told us. So now I can get y by itself. 4y equals 80 minus x. Divide everybody by 4, and we get 20 minus 1/4 x. Okay, that's what y is equal to. So that's what we're going to substitute into our area formula and distribute that x. So we have 20x minus 1/4 times x squared. Now we want to maximize the area, which means we want to set the derivative equal to 0. So I have to take the derivative. Derivative would be 20 minus 2/4 x to the first. Set that equal to 0. I gotta scoot everybody up just a little bit. So 20 equals 2/4 reduces to 1/2. So I'm going to move it and reduce it at the same time. Multiply both sides by 2. 40 equals x. And it wants the dimensions, so I know that this side is going to be equal to 40. Now all I have to do is plug in 40 for x into that expression, and it will tell me what y is equal to. So I have 20 minus 10, which is 10. So all of those y's would be 10. So the dimensions of the rectangle would be 10 times 40. And that's your answer to number 12.